A very wonderful morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, today I am going to teach you how to write small cursive letter T. Small cursive letter T. So kids, as we have already learned how to write small cursive letter Y in earlier videos. So today we will move on with small cursive letter T. So here I have pasted one picture. Can you please tell me what is this? What is this, kids? Yes, this is tomato. Red, juicy tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. Very good, kids. Now we will see different formation of T with the help of this tool. Okay, kids. So look over here. See, the first formation is capital letter T. The first formation is capital letter T. Very nice. Let's see the next one. This is small letter T. This is small letter T. Next one is this is capital cursive letter T. This is capital cursive letter T. Let's see the next one. The next one is small cursive letter T. The next one is small cursive letter T. So kids, as you can see below these formations, some pictures are there. So let's see what all pictures are these. First one is tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. T for turnip. T for turnip. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. So kids, these are some of the vocabulary we can use for letter T. So now we will see how to write small cursive letter T in our preset book. Open your preset book, take out your page number 26 and 27 we are going to do today. Sharp your pencil, kids, and write the date and the classwork on the top. Firstly, we will write page number 26. So take your pencil and as you can see on page number 26, tracing of small cursive letter T is there. So we will see how to do tracing of small cursive letter T first. Okay? So look over here. Be very careful, your pencil should not go out of the dots. From the third line, we will go up, slanting line up, but we will not touch the first line. Then we will come down, we will touch the third line and we will make a curve like this. Then we will make a sleeping line between the first and the second line like this. Okay, kids? Pay attention, look over here. Slanting line up from the third line. We will not touch the first line. Come back down, make a curve, touching the third line like this and a sleeping line in between. Okay, kids? Very good. For the last time, look over here. From the third line, slanting line up. We will not touch the first line. Come down. Touch the third line, make a curve and a sleeping line in the middle. So kids, this way you have to do your tracing part of small cursive letter T. Very nice. Now coming on the next page, we are having T on single dot. Okay kids, so let's see how to write small cursive letter T on single dot. So put your pencil over here on the third line. We'll make a slanting line, but we will not touch the first line. We'll come down, touch the third line, make a curve like this, and a sleeping line in the middle of first and the second line. Okay kids? Pay attention, look over here. From the third line, slanting line going up. Do not touch the first line, come down, touch the third line, make a curve, and a sleeping line in between. Very good. Write very neatly kids. From the third line, slanting line up. Do not touch the first line, come down, touching the third line, make a curve, and a sleeping line in between the first and the second line. Be careful, do not touch the first line. Okay kids? Now look over here. Once again let's see. From the third line, slanting line up. We will not touch the first line. Come down. Touch the third line. Make a curve. And a sleeping line between the first and the second line. Very nice. Right? Very neatly. From the third line, slanting line going up. Will not touch the first line, come down, touch the third line and make a curve. Then a sleeping line in the middle of first and the second line. For the last time, look over here and be very careful while writing. Slanting line up, do not touch the first line, come down, then make a curve touching the third line. Then a sleeping line between the first and the second line like this. Very nice kids. So this way you have to write your small cursive letter T in your preset book. You have to write this in your preset book on page number 26. You have to trace small cursive letter T, and on page number 27 you have to write on single dot. Write very neatly and very beautifully in your book. Have a nice day kids. Thank you. Bye.